What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1967 Ford Mustang up for sale today. Guys, we're going to do a full walkthrough of this Mustang so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. We're going to go over panel by panel, dent by dent, scratch by scratch. Complete walkthrough. Hopefully you like it. If anybody's interested in buying it, check out bobevansclassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website. We offer financing, credit score of 620 or above. Guys, subscribe also. We got all these classic cars in stock, and you can watch full walkthroughs as we go through it. Well, we got this 67 Ford Mustang Fastback up for sale. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a 67 with a 289 V8. It's paired with an automatic C4 transmission. This is a driver quality car. It's got some scratches, some nicks in the paint. Undercarriage is brand new. We had the undercarriage done. My plan was to restore this car. I was going to do an Eleanor clone. We decided not to do it because it's just too good of a driver. I'll be honest with you, it's a perfect car for somebody that just wants to get in it and go. I found another one that needs a lot more work, and it's much better project. This car is a good driver, and I didn't want to get rid of the driving factor and chop up a car like this. So I got another one that we're going to do ground up restoration. We're doing floors to it. We're going to do full paint. We're going to do full interior. We're going to do everything. This car needs very little to bring it to the next level. Paint looks good on it. It's got a couple imperfections which we'll go through. I'll show you the worst part of the whole car, which is going to be right here. You got a crack in the paint. That's the worst part of the whole car, which we'll go in depth with it. But overall, it's a solid driving car. True fastback, candy apple red. We'll go ahead and start with the paint test like we normally do. You can see my reflection, but it's not super clear. This does look like it's an older paint job, single stage. You can see flaws in the paint here on the fender. If I zoom in, you can see a little bit hazing there. I would say the paint's probably a 6 out of 10. It's good from about 4 feet away. Looks great. If you get up on it, you can start seeing the flaws in it, especially the chipping here and stuff. We'll start with the driver's door, our normal driver's door test, where we shut it. I'm going to go super light. Super light does not shut. Put a little bit more emphasis on it. Medium. Medium, it shuts. So hinge is a little tight. You can really feel it here. You might want to put a little grease in it. Looks like this is all good. This is not rust or anything, but it does have wear inside the door jamb. On this door you do have the tag here. It looks like the original tag that was painted over. Give it another medium toss and it shuts good. Driver's door has some nicks. You got scratch nick right there in the door. Another one up here. Another one right here. Another one here. Over here, a couple imperfections. You got a little bubble here, and you got some paint coming off here. Looking at the body line, body looks straight. As you can see, that body line looks real good, except for the nick that's in it. Let's look on the other side. Back from the quarter. I don't see any bond or anything visibly. You can see up here it looks good. You can see down there the line's nice and straight. Looks good. Tires are pretty much brand new. Wheels are in decent shape. Got a little bit of wear here. The beauty ring. Fender's got a little bit of hazing here. A little chip there. A little chip there. Up on here you got some. The hood's got chips on the hood. Let's look at that line. That body gap looks straight. Also, let's see the door gaps. I did not look at the door gaps at all. The gap of that door is nice and even all the way down. So the door is nice and even, the gap. This gap looks nice and even. It's not too tight on this side. Other side, it comes out a little bit here. It's a little bit tighter up front towards the passenger side. It's a little looser here, but overall I would say the hood fits good. It opens nice, one hand, shuts good. I don't see anything rubbing. You got a little bit of cracking there. Bumper, a little bit older. Looks like there was something on the bumper here. Again, this would make it just a good driver. If you want to take it to the next level, I'll probably change the bumper, throw some paint on it. Got some scratches here. Or you know what? You could just drive it the way it is. This you want to replace. You would want to pull these off and put new emblems on it. That's what I think I would do. I think I'd buff this car up, put new emblems on it, and probably put a different set of wheels on it. Tires are fine. You don't need to change the tires. Put a new set of wheels on it, put the emblems on it. I think you got a car just to get in and go, enjoy it, leave it the way it is. Okay, gap here gets a little tight, and you can see it's probably rubbed. Let's open up this door. Well, it's not rubbing. Probably rubbed at one point. Okay, we went light. Door's not shut all the way. We'll go a little harder. And it shuts just like the driver's door. That's your biggest flaw in the car right here. A little bit of crack right there. The rest of the roof looks good. The car definitely shows well, guys, for what it is. I mean, I'm picking this car apart. You can see the little blemish in the paint here. You step back 2-3 feet and the car looks like, I mean, it would impress anybody. You get up on it, you're a car guy, you know what you're looking for, you can point out all the flaws. Do this car right, paint this car. Doesn't not need much body work at all. There's a few little spots. Again, chip in this door, chip there. Little bubble right here. Little bubble back here. The highlight of this car is the underneath, which I will show you. Little chip here, or I'm sorry, a little bubble there. But I mean, the body line's straight on it. I don't see any Bondo on it. I don't see anything like that. Nothing crazy. You don't have any crazy Bondo here. Love the way this car sits. I think it's got such a nice stance to it. Let's get a light and we will look underneath the car. Now looking under the car, you can see it's all new under here. All this is replaced. Floors are good. Cork box. I mean, it's pretty much all new, guys. Both sides look like this. That's the highlight about this car, just how clean it is underneath. Extremely clean. Pop open the hood for you. Got a 289 under the hood. Power steering, manual brakes. Moving on to the interior. Door panel looks good. Seat looks good. Back seat looks good. Headliner's got a little wear here, coming down a little bit. Other seat looks good. Dash pad looks good. Little cut here in this seat. You can see right there and right there. Back carpet looks good. So, I mean, not the best. Got a little cut there. But again, a good driver quality Mustang. Go ahead and fire it up. Real good. Nice car here, guys, for sure. These 67s are harder and harder to buy. This is not a bad car at all. Remember, we offer financing, credit score of 620 or above, and free shipping anywhere in the U.S. Alright, so we got a bulb out. We will replace this bulb for you. The next owner will have that fixed. Right turn signal works. Left doesn't, because I assume because that light's out. We will get that addressed for you. The right side's working, left bulb is out, and we'll make sure that left turn signal's working for you. Let's check the horn. Horn works. We're showing 32,000 miles. It's most likely it's got 132,000 miles. Oil pressure seems to be working fine. We'll see if it gets up to temperature. We did put gas in it, showing half a tank, so that is working. Your lights are working, and let's check. Windshield wipers work. The majority of everything's working in it. Radio turns on, but I got no sound. I'm guessing we ain't got speakers. Alright guys, so I owe somebody, whoever buys it, I'm going to get that left turn signal working for you and the left light. So we got to replace that bulb. Hopefully that solves the left turn signal and it's working. Leave me a comment, guys. What do you think? '67 Fastback, brand new undercarriage. It's a driver car. Appreciate you checking out our page, guys. Give us a call or go to our website, BobEvansClassics.com. Talk to you later.